Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to block porn websites on your iPhone. Now, if you want to block porn both in Safari as well as Google Chrome, let's open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, within here, you'll be able to block all of those websites by just scrolling down, and we're going to make use of screen time to be able to block it. So tap on screen time. And now from here, let's scroll down. The first thing that you want to do is hit the lock screen time settings. Now, let's say if you're locking this or blocking porn websites for your child or minor, you can set a screen time passcode. In my case, I'm just going to enter 1111, but just enter in a screen time passcode that the other person will not be able to guess. Let's just hit cancel and skip here. Essentially, this prevents them from just turning this feature off afterwards. After you've done that, let's tap on the content and privacy restrictions. And then from here, let's toggle it on. And again, enter in this screen time passcode. And now let's go through the process of blocking all of those porn or adult websites, but it also includes like gambling websites, alcohol websites, stuff like that. So from here, you'll be able to see a bunch of different things that you can change. We're going to choose the App Store, Media, Web, and Games. That's third one down. Now, within here, you can see I can set restrictions on music and movies and games, but you can see web content is currently set to unrestricted. So let's tap on that, and we can choose to limit adult websites, or we can switch it to only approved websites, and only these websites will be available. But if you just wanted to block porn websites, let's go to limit adult websites. If it's accidentally catching certain websites that you do want to be able to access, you can just hit add website, basically just to add it to the allow list or to the never allow list. And now no matter what, you won't be able to access those sites. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.